Hey guys, so I know this recording situation is a bit of a hot mess, but I just had to pull over in my car and open my package because I can't wait. I can't wait till I get to a good spot. So I've rigged up something with my phone and a dog leash, and it's a mess. Let me get my cute hair in there. And also excuse my nails. Oh my god, I'm going for a manicure after work. Okay, so I got my Crayola Beauty order. And I'm so excited. I have to try it right now. Okay, so this is it's like a pink color, so I thought it'd be like a lipstick. It's Crayola Beauty. What color is it? I don't know. And this is what it looks like, a thick Crayola pen. And I ordered it because it's like a really pretty dusty rose color. I don't know. I'll put it in the color later. Probably says on here, but I can't read. Okay, ready? Ready? So I'm going to get out a mirror. And let's go. It's like the same color as my lips. That's handy. Oh, it's a little lighter. Oh, it smells good. It smells like, I don't know, kind of fruity. Okay, so it's like a lipstick. That's not bad. Hey? It's a nice color. Okay, I'll wear this for a while and see how it goes. It goes on really smooth, and I really like the color. Ooh, I love a light color. It said you can use it for like anything, so I already have a ton of blush on though, but let's try it as a blush. That's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna draw it on my hand, and you'll see. Can you see that? Love that color. All right, we'll see how this goes as long lasting or whatever. This is the box that came from Asos. It's like this huge box with this to keep it all nice. Okay. And then this, how cute is this? And I got the package because it's cheaper. It was like if you buy a 3-pack, then you have to pick certain colors, which kind of sucked, but it was cheaper. So I'm like, I'll try this. All right, and let's see if I like them, and then I'll order more. So I wanted to get this pack because it has the black in it, which I thought would be good as an eyeliner maybe, and it has the blue for a little bit of fun, and then gray, which could also be fun, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna try the black. So cute. Is it? I think it's actually the same size as the lipstick. I thought the lipstick was bigger, but it's bigger. Or same size. Okay, so it goes on really smooth, like really smooth. And it's not really a black, it's like actually a dark, kind of a dark gray. Can you see that? Okay, so I'm gonna try to put it on maybe kind of as an eyeliner. I already have makeup on though, because I did not anticipate getting this today in the mail. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on as an eyeliner. Goes on super smooth. You see this? Okay, so it goes on really smooth. That's nice. And now I think the test will be to see if it like sticks to the top of my lids, because I have, yeah, it's really shiny actually. The more I look at it, it's like super shiny. I have hooded eyelids, so everything always like sticks to the top. And now let's try this pretty color, this bluey. I need glasses, I can't read this, I'm sorry. Navy blue. Oh, that's a wild color. Come on! Crayola, you're supposed to have fun colors. Oh, and this is really sparkly too. Where's my camera? Can you see that? So I'm gonna do kind of a thicker line. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my god, look how pretty that color is. So, one thing I'm noticing is that they're not really drying down. Like, I can rub them and kind of rub them off. That kind of sucks. But I'm going to put a little bit of this on my eyes. Just as kind of like an eyeshadow, because it said you can use it as an eyeshadow. Okay, so it's not going, like, it's not depositing a lot of color right away, which is good, I guess. I can build up then, eh? It's kind of hard to, it's like putting on a crayon on your face, I guess. It's exactly what it feels like, except smoother, right? Like a crayon wouldn't be this smooth. That's kind of pretty. Okay, so I am going to wear this for a bit, and then I will come back later and we'll see how it stayed. I don't know what I'm doing, some sort of artsy-fartsy thing, but yeah, we'll come back a little later. Because of its like kind of wetness, I'm thinking it's going to, what's the word? Like, what does eyeshadow do? It creases. I'm thinking it's going to crease. But we'll give it a little whirl. We'll see how it goes. And I will be back to report in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, so it's been a couple hours. Sorry, it's really bright out. And the lipstick did that thing where it like creases near your lips. Gross. And the eyeshadow, the colors faded and it kind of like fell down onto my face, which, you know, for someone my age, I don't need sparkles down here. It looks gross. So yeah, not something I would order again. It's whatever, like it's fun, it's cute, it's a fun idea, but the quality is not great. Might as well just use a crayon on my face.